The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the cap from the router. Next, I'll separate the electronic control from the router motor. To do that, I'll need to remove several of the wires. First, I'll remove the field wire. Next, the light control harness. Next, the other motor wire. Now remove the cord clamp that secures the power cord to the housing. And now I can remove the electronics assembly from the housing. Now remove the white cord wire from the electronics assembly. And the black cord wire from the switch. And I'll remove the cord protector. Next, I'll need to install a new terminal on the end of the new cord wire. I'll place the wire inside of the crimp area on the terminal. You'll notice one side of the crimp section is larger than the other. The large side goes around the wire, and the small side goes around the wire insulation. I'll use some pliers to wrap the crimp around the wire and tighten it into place. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I'll cut the white wire to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide, so I cut it to the correct length. Now I'll strip back about 3/8 of an inch of insulation from the white wire. And give the wires a twist. I'll strip about 1/4 inch of insulation from the black wire. And also twist these strands. The white wire on the old cord had a bullet-style connector crimped onto it. These connectors are difficult to find and even more difficult to install. So rather than installing one, I'm going to go ahead and tin the new wire. To tin is to simply apply some solder to the wire, making it hard. To do that, I'll apply some soldering flux, heat the wire with my soldering gun, and then apply the solder. Now I can reinstall the cord protector. Now I can reconnect the black wire to the switch. I'll route the wire through the electronics assembly. And now reconnect the white wire. The white wire attaches closest to the yellow wire in the terminal block. And now I can reinstall the electronics assembly onto the motor housing. I'll align the switch with the housing. And then the speed control at the rear of the motor housing. And once the electronics assembly is back in place, I can begin reinstalling all of the wires. I'll place the cord protector back into the housing and then secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cap. And that's all it takes to install a new power cord on your power tool.